Can generative AI be safe for girls? A wonderful organization, Girl Effect, has a generative AI chatbot called Big Sis. It was created as a safe space for girls to ask questions that they might otherwise be afraid or shy or embarrassed to ask out loud. It's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and is integrated into health systems. Big Sis was co-designed with young people so that it talks in their language in a way that young people speak, with shorthand and slang and all of that. It already has about 2 million users. Girl Effect just recently published a white paper on their learnings to date. And if you're building a generative AI chatbot, so a chatbot built on a large language model as opposed to a conversational model, it's well worth a read, particularly if you're working on sensitive topics. Of course, Big Sis only works so far in English. Although one of the things the paper said was that they demoed it in 2 mixed code languages. So Sheng, a combination of Swahili and English, and Hinglish, a combination of Hindi and English. Unsurprisingly, they found that the generative AI, that the large language models didn't produce responses that sounded human, that were convincing in their responses. They said that they still have to do a lot of tests, that Claude performed the best, but there's still a lot of work to be done. But one of the things I really wanted to point out about this was that Girl Effect develops tech in a way that with stakeholders, and all of those stakeholders deeply believe that empathy is a core system requirement. They believe that artificial intelligence doesn't replace human connection, but can restore it. And here's a quote from the foreword. "It isn't just about what AI can do, but it's about who we choose to build it for, and what that says about the world we want to create." And that really resonated with me. Those of us who build and help build artificial intelligence need to make sure that we are building it in a way that is healthy and responsible and ethical and doesn't do harm, and that everybody can access and be safe with, no matter what language they speak. And that's what's interesting.